Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 26, that is writing letters. So, here, what is letter writing? Letter writing is an essential part of human activities. ये क्या एक essential part है किसका? Human activities का. A letter is a substitute for conversation. ये क्या होता है? Substitute होता है conversation का to share our joys and sorrows with friends and relatives. We write letters. अगर हमें joys, sorrows, कुछ भी invitation share करता है कब friends के साथ relatives के साथ हम क्या लिखते हैं? Letters लिखते हैं. To establish business relation, we write letters. Business relation भी establish करने के लिए हम letters लिखते हैं. To give our opinion and ideas regarding an issue, we write letters. अगर हमें opinions देने हैं, ideas देने हैं एक issue के regarding जब भी हम letters लिखते हैं. Hence, letter writing is an indispensable part of our life. Letter writing है indispensable part of my life का. While writing letters, we should follow certain rules. मेरे को certain rules follow करने चाहिए. General instructions. Letter should be written in a simple and direct manner. जो letter लिखा होना चाहिए वो एकदम simple और direct manner में लिखा होना चाहिए. Letter should be brief and to the point. एकदम brief होना चाहिए, एकदम to the point होना चाहिए. Only those things must be written which you want to convey. खाली वो चीजें लिखनी होनी चाहिए जो आपको convey करनी है. Never forget the person to whom you are writing the letters. आपको भूलना नहीं है उस person के बारे में लिखना जिसको आप letter लिख रहे हो. The tone of the letter and its content should be keeping this in consideration. जो tone लेनी चाहिए एकदम fluent होनी चाहिए, एकदम normal होनी चाहिए और उसका content जो होना चाहिए वो आपको points सारे अपने consideration में रखना है. Impolite and harsh language should not be used. Impolite और harsh language आपको अपने letter में use नहीं करनी है. Different ideas and views should be expressed in separate paragraphs. जो different ideas होते हैं, views होते हैं, वो express कर देनी चाहिए separate paragraphs में. Now, types of letters. Letters are generally of three types. तीन type के होते हैं. Personal, business and official and applications. Personal letters क्या होते हैं जो हम अपने friends को, relatives को लिखते हैं. Fathers को, father, mother के लिए लिखते हैं. Letters written to friends, relatives are under this category. These letters included invitations. So invitations होते हैं. Business letters क्या होते हैं? These letters are written to deal with commercial topics. सब commercial topics से deal करनी होती है उनके लिए business letters लिखते हैं. Official letters and applications क्या होती है? These are written to government departments, offices, newspaper and application of various types. इसलिए लिखते थे government departments के लिए, offices के लिए, newspapers के लिए and applications जो होती है बहुत सारे types की उनके लिए लिखते हैं. Now parts of a letter. Here is a part of the letter कि क्या-क्या parts होते हैं letter में. So first आपको left hand side से start करना होता है, margin side से. True, though every letter is written in formal or informal way, yet all letters have one thing in common, that every letter can be divided into following parts. तो following parts को divide कर सकते हो आप हर letter को. ये common होता है तीनों का. The beginning. It contains the sender's address and the date on which the letter is written. इसमें क्या होता है? Beginning में क्या होता है? इसमें sender का address होता है और जिस दिन आपने letter लिखा है उस दिन की date होती है. फिर salutation होता है. The salutation of greeting is an essential part of letter. ये essential part होता है letter का. In personal letter, the salutation depends on writer's relation. Personal letters में क्या होता है? Writer के relation पे depend करता है हमारा with the person to whom the letter is written. In official or business letter, the salutation is sir, madam. Official or business letter में salutation है sir, madam, dear sir, madam और dear sirs होता है. Body. The body of letter is the most important part of a letter. ये जो होता है most important part होता है आपके letter का. It conveys the message or information which the writer intends to convey. इसमें सारी messages होते हैं, information होते हैं जो writer convey करता है. The message should be conveyed in clear and crisp language. जो message convey होना चाहिए एकदम clear और crisp language में convey होना चाहिए. Do not use difficult words, phrases and idioms in letters. आपको difficult words, phrases, idioms use नहीं करने letters में. These make letter complicated. इससे letter आपको बहुत ज़्यादा complicated हो जाता है. The body should be brief. It should not contain unnecessary details of anything. Body एकदम brief होनी चाहिए, unnecessary details नहीं होनी चाहिए किसी भी चीज़ से related. The style of writing should be individual. जो style होता है लिखने को एकदम individual होना चाहिए. Do not use sentences which are being used for ages. आपको वो sentences use नहीं करने जो for ages से use होते आ रहे हैं. I am okay. You must be sailing in the same boat. Respect to elders and love to younger. A personal letter may be ended with an expression of personal regards of affection. तो आप personal letter जब end करते हो उसमें आपका personal regards होनी चाहिए, personal affection show कर सकते हो आप उसमें with best wishes or with kindest regards. With time, English writing has been changed from extremely formal to highly informal, but maintaining regards, respect, etc. Time के साथ English writing change हो चुकी है. extremely formal से extremely informal में, but respect है और regards भी होते हैं उसमें maintain करते हुए. So here the subscription part of the ending. The ending should go with salutation. It also depends on your relation with that person to whom you are writing. किसको आप letter लिख रहे हो उसके according if the subscription. You can use a lot of variations in personal letters, but in official and business letter, you are yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and yours truly. In the last, you put your signature before the below the subscription. Subscription से नीचे आप अपना signature अपना name डालते हो. So here is a letter written. Yeah, Maya, most of your friends go to gym for bodybuilding. You want to go too, but your mother doesn't allow you. This time she has allowed you. You are very excited. Write a letter to your grandfather with whom you are very close, informing him about it. So here, first you have to write the date. Dear Grandpa, thank you for your letter. I know I usually write to you at the end of the month, but I'm excited and I can't wait to tell you about something. The next para. Yesterday I asked mom if I could go to gym with my friend Mohit on Saturday. I've only gone there once before. I have asked her before, but she was always refused. Has always refused to let me go. She thinks I could get hurt. I told her that Mohit goes to gym every day and he never gets hurt. Mom seldom lets me go anywhere without her, but this time she said I could go. She also said that if I really like it, I could go there every day. I can't wait for Saturday to come. I will write and tell you about it. You're loving. Then last Maya. So here is one more letter, official letter. The letter is about the chaotic traffic situation outside the school. The prefect writes the letter to the principal to tell him about the problem. Here, first आपको sender address लिखना है. The principal with the Straw Secondary School, so date पर लिखी date भी होती है यहाँ पे. You can write the date also. I would like to bring to your attention a problem that has been causing of great inconvenience to the students. I am referring to the traffic jams that are built up outside the school early in the morning, and even the school ends at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. A large number of students are driven to and from school by their parents. Just before school ends, we can see parents waiting in the cars outside the school. Their cars occupy much of the roads and cause traffic congestion. The stationary cars obstruct the smooth flow of traffic. The next para, drivers are also impatient. As a result, they create confusion among the road users, particularly children. It is not common to see children running across the road, ignoring the pedestrian crossing. My main concern is the safety of our students. To solve the traffic problem, I suggest that students be encouraged to take the school bus. The school could also write to the parents and seek their cooperation. More importantly, it will help ensure the safety of our students. Then at the last subscription, yours obediently Rohit Kapoor signature head prefect. So like this, you can write the letters. So this type of letters you can write by your own. See you in the next class.